Turn up the music or silence the world with the Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the controls. Let's start with a quick overview of everything located on your headphones. There are microphones located on the top and sides of both ear cups. The left ear cup has a 2.5mm audio port, a USB-C port, and a status light. The headphone controls are located on the right ear cup. There's a Bluetooth power button on the bottom, a multifunction button on the back, and a capacitive volume strip along the edge. Press the Bluetooth power button once to power the headphones on. To power them off, press and hold this button until you hear a tone. And the status light blinks white twice. To put the headphones into pairing mode, press and hold this button for 3 seconds. You'll hear the headphones power off first, but keep holding until you hear
"Ready to connect."
You can store up to 8 devices in the headphones device list. And with the multi-point connection feature enabled, you can be actively connected to 2 devices at the same time. The multifunction button controls audio playback, call functions, and mode switching. A single press will pause or play your audio. Double press to skip forward, and triple press to skip backward. To answer an incoming call, press the multifunction button once. To end a call or decline an incoming call, double press the button. Finally, you can press and hold the multifunction button to quickly switch between listening modes. By default, there are 3 modes: quiet, aware, and immersion. Quiet mode provides full noise cancellation with Bose optimized stereo audio. Aware mode plays stereo audio with full transparency, so you can hear your surroundings and your music at the same time. Immersion mode uses our highest noise canceling level and plays immersive audio in the motion setting. In addition to these modes, you can also create up to 7 custom modes within the Bose Music app. From the main screen, tap Modes and then tap the plus button. Select a name for your mode based on how you plan to use it. Now you can combine your preferred noise cancellation level and immersive audio setting into a single custom mode. You can also choose whether to apply the wind block setting to your mode, which reduces noise in windy situations like walking outside. Please note, turning on wind block automatically adjusts noise cancellation. Tap Done to save your mode. Now you can quickly switch to any of your audio preferences by tapping one of the modes. However, also note the stars next to each mode. Tapping a star will favorite or unfavorite a mode. The modes that you favorite are the ones that will be accessible using the multifunction button on your headphones. When you press and hold the multifunction button, a voice prompt announces each mode in a loop.
Quiet, aware, immersion.
When you hear the mode you want, release the button. You can save up to 10 favorite listening modes to cycle through. Next, swiping along the volume strip adjusts the volume level. Touch and holding it activates a shortcut. By default, the shortcut is turned off, but you can enable and configure it within the Bose Music app. Tap Shortcut and then toggle the feature on. You have several choices for what your shortcut can do. It could announce the battery level, cycle through the immersive audio settings, access your mobile device's voice assistant, or start a Spotify listening session. Finally, the headphones are equipped with on-head detection and can be controlled by whether or not you're wearing them. When you remove the headphones, audio will automatically pause. When you put the headphones back on, the audio will resume. You can also answer an incoming call just by putting on the headphones. Using motion detection and a conserved battery, your headphones will go to sleep if they haven't been in use for 10 minutes. To wake the headphones, place them back on your head. If they haven't been in use for 24 hours, the headphones will power off completely. To power the headphones back on, you'll need to press the Bluetooth power button. You can manage your on-head detection and auto-off preferences within the settings of the Bose Music app. That's been an overview of some of the controls on your QuietComfort Ultra headphones. For additional support, visit our website.